Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can earn free Discord orbs on the Discord mobile phone. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have told you about how to get free orbs from the Discord PC, and now it's time to make a tutorial on how to earn orbs from the Discord mobile. Okay, first you're going to open up your mobile phone, guys. Open up the Discord application on your mobile phone, and then you need to go to the Quest section. You're going to select your profile here, and you'll see Quest right here, guys. And then basically, it's same with Discord PC. You need to do some quest to earn Discord orbs. For example, here I need to watch 2 minutes video to earn orbs, and this one 40 seconds video to earn 200 orbs. And yeah, just search for the quest that you can do on your mobile, and the easiest quest is watching a video. So just watch the video which are available here, and you'll be able to claim your Discord orbs. Okay, I'm going to watch the shortest video. This one, I just need to watch 29 seconds video. Some of the quest is I'm also playing a game. If you can play the game, you can also play the game to earn orbs. But for me, since I don't know how to play the game which are available on the quest, so I just watch all the videos in the quest. Okay, after you watch the video, you can claim the reward. You can click on claim reward, click on confirm. Okay, and just hold on. All right. I have collected 200 orbs, and if you want to get more orbs, just watch more videos before the quest is over, guys. Okay, and you can view your orbs right here. This is my orbs balance, and you can redeem the orbs in the shop to get Discord item or decoration. Okay. And okay guys, that's how you can farm or earn orbs on Discord mobile. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.